Okay, 853, which number is greater? So let's take a look at these. You can ignore the numbers behind the decimal point because the first number is a 3 and a 1. So the 3 times 10 to the 4th, I'm going to move the decimal 4 places to the right. But the 1 times 10 to the 6th, I'm going to move it 6 places to the right. So clearly moving the decimal 6 places to the right is going to add 2 more zeros than moving it 4 places to the right. So I can conclude that 1.9 times 10 to the 6th is the greater number. If you really have to, and I wouldn't recommend this, you could, 3.56, move it 10 to the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that's 35,600. The other one, 1.9 times 10 to the 6th, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So clearly this number is larger, but you should not need to do that. You should be able to work out that moving it to the right more places is going to make it bigger. So this is the larger number.